I have a little bit of butter in there.
Okay.
And I'm going to put a little bit of, turn this on like a little medium heat. And put a little garlic. Got to have that garlic. Okay, we're going to let that work together a little bit. Oh yeah. And I have some fresh salmon. I didn't get the skin off this time, but I usually have the skin off. But I'll season this with a little black pepper, paprika, onion powder, and of course cinnamon. Cinnamon is the kicker, guys. If you notice, I cook a lot with cinnamon, and I make a lot of tropical sauces. So we're going to teach you how to do that, just to kind of spice it up a little bit. You know, because I'm from the South, but then again, I like that tropical
flavor.
Cooking also, yeah.
Tropical flavor.
And that's going to really do it. Then you got to drink a little Moscato to keep the ball rolling. One thing I like to do is be happy in the kitchen. I don't like a lot of dishes around me. I like to keep it clean and just be happy. So this is what we're doing. And when you start, just let this get together, let it heat up a little bit. Yes, 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 yes. Then I have, on here, I also have a little bit of garlic powder. I mean, there's a lot of rubs out there that you can use, Old Bay or all that kind of stuff. But, you know, do it yourself if you can. Then it's all full of love. You do how you want to do it. It's not that salty. But look how pretty it looks.
It does.
It really, I'm just doing 2 pieces today, guys, because I'm going, you know, the girls and the kids them eat the chicken, but I have salmon. So I'm going to have salmon with kale salad. I love kale salad with that raspberry vinaigrette and cranberries and raisins and almonds. That is the bomb. So I hear a little sizzling going on, so they're talking to each other. I mean, they're doing some talking up in here. And guys, I don't mean no harm, but I wish you could smell this garlic. And one thing I like to do is take my time and cook. If you take the time and cook and it looks pretty, I very seldom burn food. Because I take my time and cook and make sure it looks pretty. Because this is what's going inside of us. Okay, this is stuff that you're fixing to go inside. So I have that little butter there. And I'm going to go ahead and put the salmon in. I'm going to put that face down like that. You're saying, yes, yes, Diva, yes. What you doing to me, Diva? So I'm going to let that kind of slowly brown a little bit. And then I'll be right back. Look at that salmon. I just flipped that salmon over a few minutes ago. And it says, man, I look pretty on one side. Let's go ahead, Diva. Let's flip me over to another side. And I just flipped that over. And you can see it's nicely golden brown and pretty. Look at that. Ain't that just, just kind of sugar that a little bit there. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. It's awesome. Awesome, awesome. Wow. Okay. We're just going to let that talk to each other a little bit. They're getting to know each other in there. It's just pretty. I just like pretty food. I really do. My daughter, Gabrielle, every time she goes out, you know, she takes pictures of her food. I don't know what it is, but she takes pictures of her food. She's like, I don't understand. I really don't understand. I really don't understand. Okay, I'm going to take that out now, guys. Okay, I'm just going to put this over here to rest a little while. Because, you know, salmon doesn't take long. And I'm going to just clean this pan up a little bit because we're going to use the same pan. I don't like using a lot of dishes, but we're going to use the same pan. And I'm just going to clean it up a little bit, and then I'm going to make a nice little sauce, okay? I'll be right back. All right, clean that up a little bit. And we're going to use a little butter. Just a little bit of butter there. I got a little bit of white cooking wine. Yes, yes, yes. And just turn this on low because we don't really need to do anything. Okay. And I have some Jamaican All Spice. Yeah, look at that. A little bit of that in there. Just to give it a little kicker. Okay, and let's see what else we have. I have some Jamaican jerk sauce. Now, if you haven't had this thing, man, this thing is good. It's really, 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 really good. We're going to put a little bit of that in there. This is a different little sauce, just to give it a little kick. Look at that. Jamaican jerk sauce.
All right.
Which is, it's really good. Really, really good. Just kind of stir that up in there a little bit. Look at that, look at that. And you know what else we're gonna do? We're gonna go tropical. We're gonna put a little orange juice on that bad boy. Yes, yes. And then I also know that you guys know, got to get that cinnamon in there again. Just a little dab of it. And we're gonna stir that up. Look at that, look at that, look at that sauce. Goodness gracious. I got some bell peppers and some onions and all that green, all that good peppers and yellow peppers and green peppers with some onions, a little sauteed onions are there, you know?
Okay.
And I'm just gonna let that work together for a little bit. Sometimes I usually cut up some carrots in here too, but it's all good. And just let that simmer and work together a little bit. You gotta make things look pretty. Look at that, look how pretty that is. And if you don't know that pimento, that Jamaican pimento, a little jerk, that's gonna really do the kicking. Really do the kicking. And now, I'm just gonna put that salmon back in there like that. Goodness gracious. Put a little bit of that juice on that side. Let that rest a little bit. Ooh, sucky, sucky now. Then puts his little twin in there. Because he got a little twin. And look at that. Oh, goodness gracious. I'm here for you. And just fill that up with another little bit. Let that just all work together. Look how pretty that looks. And just let's just talk a little bit. Sometimes we gotta just let it rest. So that's Diva style salmon. And we're gonna put that on a plate in a few minutes. After that finished talking. And we're gonna get ready to do a taste test on the salmon. Diva style. It's all about what you wanna do and how you wanna do it. But all you gotta remember is do it with love. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. It's all done, guys. Look at that. Ain't that something? Look at that. So we just gonna put this on a plate like this. And look at that. Now you talking about some stuff going on up in here. And look at all that juice. And those nice peppers. Goodness gracious. Look at that juice. Look at that. Ain't that something? And look how long did that didn't take long at all. Look at that. Now if you want something good here, look at that. Ain't that some good salmon? But that's Diva style. And it's a little tropical with a little kick. So we're going to also put this on the counter for the girls, for Shantika to give a little sample to. And there's so many ways of making salmon. I have so many ways of making salmon because I love salmon. But if you want some of this with a little bit of yellow rice and some asparagus is good, awesome. You got a little just jerk juice on it and it's awesome. I make stuffed salmon. I make so many different recipes of salmon. So if you want a Diva style, just let me know and I'll show you how to do it Diva style. Okay, I'll be right back putting this on the counter. Okay guys, I'm back. Now we're going to start with this kale salad. I purchased this kale salad. It's a rainbow kale. It's organic, so it's a little expensive, but this is organic and it's USDA, so it's good. And guys, anytime you get this stuff, you have to wash it off very, very good. Towel dry it, very nice. Look how nice and pretty and green it is. And when I first saw kale, I'm like, oh my gosh, are we eating kale? Are we eating collard greens? Oh my gosh, what's the difference? But the darker the vegetables is better for you. So what I'm going to do with this is nicely clean and everything and wash really good. So I'm going to put in some some raisins. We're gonna do a little raisins in it. You know, you gotta have raisins. So we're gonna put some raisins in here. And I also have, what do you got? Cranberry glazed walnuts. And they're dry and sweet. So we're gonna put some of that in there. Look at that. Ain't that just, I just throw all of that in there. Because that's some good stuff. You just don't know. And then we got one that's called Blueberries and Cranberries. I mean, you know what? Put it all in there.
Where can you get these packages from?
You get them from Walmart has them. You know, these are the blueberries, and you know, guys, y'all know blueberries is good for us, especially if in our age. So all of that is good. I have one of those, and then we just gonna mix all this stuff up. I mean, guys, you just don't know. Kale is the best way to go. And with all this is sweetness, and it is. You just mix it up. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring on some. We're gonna bring on Uncle Raspberry Vinaigrette dressing. That's Uncle Raspberry Vinaigrette dressing. Yeah, it's the light raspberry vinaigrette dressing. I get the light one. It's really good. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit of this over and just mix it all up in there, and just let Uncle Raspberry know that he has some nephews and nieces, and nephew Cranberry and niece Blueberry, and some walnuts, and oh, look at that. Oh my goodness.
That looks really good.
Oh, you just wait until you taste it, my girl. You talking about, they're just gonna have fun together. And you know, if you want to get your hands in there and mix it all up in there together, you just don't even have a clue. Yes, yes. So this is gonna be the vegetable. Look at that, ain't that something? That's just some stuff going on up in here. It's like a family affair. You got sweet glazed walnuts, you got raspberries, you got blueberries, you got raisins. Then you got Uncle Raspberry in there to put the topping on the cake. And this is going to be awesome. Alright guys, we're going to let that sit and marinate all up in there. And what you want to do is really mix it really, really good. You know, some people like a lot of raspberry, but you just get it damped a little bit and keep it moving. All that good stuff on top. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and plate this up for me, and I'm going to have a little taste with my little Moscato, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're going to plate this up. Look at this salad. Now, isn't this to die from? Now, this is a beautiful salad. And guys, I'm just going to take a little bit of this. Look at that. Now, look. Now, this is the chicken wings over here. And let's pour a little bit more of this Moscato. Look at that. Look at that. And you know what? I'm thinking about having Thanksgiving dinner. But man, oh man. My house can fit about 20 people living. You know, we're gonna pack it up. We got king size beds. We got the Marines that want to come. We got some anchors that want to come. We just got a lot of friends and family. And I love cooking, guys. I really do. And if you ever had a Thanksgiving dinner, we have a show. We have actually a program. We play games. We have the best dance contest. We make it we just thankful. So we do have a lot of activities. So we just don't sit and eat. So when you come to my house for Thanksgiving, it's gonna be on Diva style. So guys, just take a look at this. I'm just gonna plate this up. Look at that. Now, is that pretty? That's just too pretty to eat, isn't it? So we're just gonna taste a little bit of this kale salad. My goodness. Nelda, you put your foot in this, girl. Your big toe. And look at this nice, look at this. Oh my gosh. It's really good. And this is healthy. This is all you need. And sometimes I usually have like a corn on the cob. But this is it. Have a nice salad with some kale dressing in. Look at this. You can't beat this. You can't beat this with a stick. I don't know. It is awesome. Guys, I want to thank you. Subscribe, because you guys got a lot. You have a lot coming to you. It's going to be, everything is going to be Diva style. And I'm going to keep it real. We're going to talk about real estate. I'm going to keep it real as in real estate. We're going to talk about everything from A to Z, whatever it is. And if there's a topic that you want me to talk about, bring it Diva style, because I'm going to tell it like it is. Even if I'm hurting inside, I'm going to tell it like it is. I'm going to keep it real. All right, once again, press that little subscribe button, because I want to hear from you and let me know what this looks like. I mean, come on, talk to me now. The good, the bad, and the ugly. I want to hear it. Thank you very much, guys, from Diva's Kitchen. Stay tuned. Thank you. Appreciate it.